Definitely check out IKEA for the holiday season. Hi Adorners, so today I'm hanging out kind of, and I am doing all things home decor and home decorating, and so let me show you where I am today. Okay Adorners, so today I'm at IKEA. Let's see what they have for the upcoming holiday season and for the new year for trends. So I'm in checking out some of the holiday inspiration that they have here at IKEA for the season. So let me show you a little bit around. This is pretty cute little quarters they have here. Let me show you. Day beds are one of my favorite things. They allow you to have an option for a guest as well as somewhere to sit and relax and be cozy. So it's one of my favorite things. So anyway, so let's wander around a little bit more. If you're not sure, definitely day beds are a great option. This one actually has drawers underneath. You can see here. It's one of my favorite things. Craft area, pretty cute. Cute chandelier. Little day bed, which you know I love. Actually, if you don't know, I love day beds. It's one of my favorite things. Alright, as you can see here, nice urban setup. Right, cute. I like how they have from chaos to calm. Great for organization. So they have a lot of rust or fall inspired decor. Let me just show you a little bit. All right, you can see here they have kind of a mustard looking drapery with all kinds of accents, and that's one of the things you can do in your house, isn't it? If you want to change stuff around, you can definitely just do that with like pillows and different accents and things like that. So as I said, a lot of green this season for some, like a dark green too. Not just green, but dark, really dark greens for all of the decor motifs this year, apparently here. Everything is really green here this season. Even the bedding, the paintings, everything's kind of green here. So as I was saying, what is it like to stay at your house for the holidays? You maybe should test drive your guest bedroom and see what it's really like. People might think it's comfortable to be there, or maybe you don't want them to be comfortable. Maybe you want them to leave after 2 or 3 days. But if you want your guests to be comfortable, you might want to check out your guest bedroom. So they have a really nice holiday setup. It's kind of a rustic, kind of modern glam, I guess. And let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's see. Okay, so they have it all set up here. You can see, let me span the table really quickly. This is nice. Okay, it's really modern. They have all the plates, all the glasses here set up. Really cool. Right, we have our drinks really nicely set up. And let me see. Alright, I like this. What do you think? Kind of like this setup, kind of modern. I'm more of a rustic kind of girl, but I really like this. Okay, so they have like different setups for Christmas and Thanksgiving and things like that. And this is a pretty good setup, I think. Really nice they have it set up for about 8 people, I guess. All the plates, all the napkins, all the little big desserts. I think it's a really cute, kind of rustic looking, don't you think? It has a rustic kind of feel, but it's still pretty, right? So, pretty affordable stuff here. This little pick is only 49 cents, right? You can do your plates, $2.49. You have runners. It's really cool. So you can see they actually have a more modern, dark kind of setup for a kitchen. I think it's pretty pretty.
They really have some creative artwork on display.
As I was saying, I think they pretty much have everything that you could use for your holiday season here at IKEA. If you haven't been in a while, maybe go and check it out at a time when it's really quiet and I can just wander around and explore everything. But they really have a lot of nice things displayed and set up, and they're really cheap and reasonable. So definitely check out IKEA for the holiday season. Adorners. This is a really cool setup. This is kind of a bench setup. Definitely if you have guests or whatever for the holidays. I feel like it's really cool. Let's see. I think it has leaves actually. You can spread it out if you need. Have 2 or 3 different options. Really cool here.
I definitely think that they have a lot of great inspiration and ideas to help you set up your home for the holidays. And if you haven't been to an IKEA lately, which it's hard for me to get out to one sometimes, but if you haven't been to one, maybe check out one in your area to see what they have. They have a lot of great deals, a lot of great displays to give you ideas and inspiration. Happy holidays! Adorners, I hope this helped you get in the holiday mood. It definitely did that for me. I really enjoyed seeing all the different displays and the colors being used this year. To say, this definitely put me in the holiday mood, and it was really nice to see a display for Dia de los Muertos. I really thought it was really cool that they had this in the store as well. So thank you for joining me with Adornment with Adrienne. Again, I'm your girlfriend, your auntie of lifestyle and decor. And as always, instead of saying goodbye, I say saving hello for another time. Please be sure to click like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See you in the next video.
Check out IKEA for the holiday season.